The root that we are going to be learning now is ambul. Ambul means to walk or to take the steps or to move around. The spelling that we use now, the modern spelling, is ambul, which of course means to walk. To ambulate means walk around from place to place. Both of these words are verbs in usage. The word ambulant means the one who is able to walk about. A person who moves from place to place, and hence this word is a noun. Ambulance is a vehicle which is equipped to carry or move sick people from one place to another, that is a hospital, to or from a hospital. Ambulatory means relating to or adapted for walking. Circumambulate contains two words. Both of them are roots. The word circum, which means round or around, and ambulate, which means to walk. So circumambulate means to walk all the way around. Funambulate means tightrope walking. It is a sport where somebody walks on a tightrope. The other words that are on the board are going to be worked out. Let's look at the word knocked. Knocked means night, and along with ambul and the suffix ist, it means a person who walks in the night, noctambulist. The next one is somnom. Somnom means sleep. So somn along with ambul and the suffix ist means someone who walks in his sleep. Somnambulist, a sleepwalker. Perambulate. Perambulate means all around, so to walk all around or wander. Perambulate means to wander. Ante. Ante means before. So anteambulate is one who walks before. Anteambulate. Now let us cross-check whatever we've learned. Give one word for to walk in one's sleep. Let me eliminate the irrelevant answer options. Circum means round or around, so this can't be my answer. Perambulate, so also means to walk around. Nocta means night, cannot be my answer. Somn means sleep, so one who walks in his sleep is somnambulist. To walk in one's sleep is to somnambulate, so that's my answer. Let's look at this one also. Anteambulate. Ante means before or in front of, so to walk in front of. This is a prefix which should not be confused with the prefix anti, which means against. Anim is the next root word which means mind, spirit or soul. The words derived from this are, the first one is animal. Animal is a creature that has life. That is a noun. Animalic is an adjective, an animal-like behavior. Animalish, resembling an animal. Animalism is to be or behave like an animal. Animated means lively or to make alive, something which is spirited. Lively is full of life, is animated. Animator is one who creates animations or a cartoonist. Animato, that which accompanies or an accompaniment. Longanimity is patience or forbearance, the ability to bear a lot. The next word is animosity. which means hostility. And then we have unanimous. Unanimous is made up of two roots. Uni, which means one, and anim. Unanimous means when all are in agreement with each other. So, unanimous, mostly used for decisions. Equanimity is also made up of two words. Equa, which means equal or similar, and anim. It means of balanced spirit. One who takes mature decisions with a mental balance is an equanimous person. There are some synonyms that are brought here. Composure, calmness, equability, self-control, poise. So all of these from equanimity till here, they are synonymous. They are a word group. So by learning one meaning, we can learn all of these words together. The next word is also made up of two words, that is magna, which means big or huge, and anim. A magnanimous person is big-hearted, large-hearted, or generous. So again, I have here some synonyms of this word. Generous, noble, kind-hearted, high-minded, exalted, honorable, lofty, dignified, subtle, and heroic. All these words are synonymous to this word, magnanimous. So again, this is a word group where we can learn all these words by learning one meaning. Pusillanimous means a person who is a coward, cowardly, weak-spirited, mean-spirited, spiritless, craven, dastardly, gutless, who doesn't have guts at all, a poltroon, recreant, spineless, unheroic. So these are the words that are also synonymous and hence a word group. So one who does not have courage is a pusillanimous person. Antonyms. Antonyms of this word that are brought are brave, courageous, daring, valiant, dauntless, doughty, fearless, gallant, great-hearted, gutsy, intrepid, stalwart. So all these words are antonymous to the word pusillanimous. And now let's answer a question. Find the antonym of the word pusillanimous. Animosity, unanimity, equanimity, magnanimity. Pusillanimous is weak-spirited, mean, self-centered. So animosity, which is also a negative word, cannot be my answer. Unanimous means in unison or in agreement with, cannot be my answer. Equanimity means a balance of mind. Even though it is a positive word, in contrast to pusillanimous, it isn't really an opposite word. Magna, large. So large-hearted or generous is the opposite of selfish, mean, or self-centered. So this is the answer, which is the antonym.